Welcome to the exciting world of font creation. Let's embark on a journey into crafting unique and eye-catching typefaces. Our trusty tools, Adobe Illustrator, where creativity blossoms. Start with a foundation, then design your letter forms. In Illustrator, select the Type tool and the Pen tool to start the fun. Begin at the beginning, define your focus on curves, weight, and the overall aesthetic. Adjust your anchor points. Experiment until satisfaction. Expand the alphabet one character at a time. The core of a successful font is building off of existing principles and creating new ones. Consistency is key. Precision is paramount. Make sure each letter has distinct curves and edges. Clean up the characters and perfect your letter forms using the Pathfinder panel. Before you are done, it's time to show how your font works. Play with words for an accurate representation and experiment with sizes, weights, and spacing. Congratulations, you have created your custom font. Embrace your ability to produce any design with your own typeface. Create and let your inner typographer shine.